So in this video, we are going to go over effective reading strategies. My name is Kat Hodges. I'm in EDLC 632 for fall semester 2023. For the overview, reading is one of the 6 major language arts forms. In this presentation, we will discuss each stage of the reading process, reading strategies, and types of reading. There are 3 learning outcomes. The first one is describe all stages of the reading process and what happens in each stage. The second is differentiate each reading strategy and what their advantages are. And the third one is describe ways teachers can use reading strategies in their instruction in reading. For the first stage of reading, it's pre-reading. Students activate or build background knowledge. Students set purposes for reading. And then students preview the reading. The second stage is reading. Students read independently with a buddy using shared reading or through guided reading. Students read the text from beginning to end or read one or more sections to learn specific information. Students will also apply strategies during this stage. The third stage is responding. Students respond in reading logs. Students discuss the text with classmates and/or the teacher, and students will discuss what happened in the story. The fourth is exploring. Students will reread and think more deeply about the text. Students examine the writer's craft. Students learn vocabulary words, and students participate in mini lessons. Students will think critically about the story during this stage. And the fifth one is applying. Students create a project. During this stage, students value the reading experience and students apply what they learned from the story. So according to Tompkins text, there are 5 types of reading: shared reading, guided reading, independent reading, buddy reading, and reading aloud. Reading aloud. So reading aloud provides a natural context, modeling and applying elements of strategic reading, such as self-questioning, prediction, and rereading. When the teacher is reading aloud, the students have eliminated the stress of performance and pronunciation and can concentrate on comprehension. The teacher can also model appropriate questioning techniques to promote the skills of proficient reading comprehension, namely prediction, inference, and utilizing context clues. The advantages of this is teachers are able to model fluent reading, students become a community of readers, and it de-stresses students. Next is group discussions. During this, students learn to collaborate, students reread familiar texts, and students develop reading fluencies. Students can talk deeply about the text and deepen the comprehension of it. Each student should be assigned a role or a job, and it allows students to work together as a team, and each student's task is connected to that of others. So 3 examples of roles that you could do are leaders. They summarize the text. The recorder, they record the group tasks and the ideas of every member of the group. And conflict managers who solve any disagreement that might occur in the group work. Class discussions. To make reading tasks more meaningful, challenging, and interesting to students, teachers should implement follow-up activities. These should engage students in a meaningful discussions and written activities in their literal and figurative comprehension of the literature they are reading. An example of these discussions can be character analysis and character development throughout the book. And these are my references. Thank you.